This is a fast and easy way to fill out a W-9 form. Now, when a person wants to pay you, they're going to ask you to fill out this W-9, a simple one-page document. And the reason is that they're collecting information. That's the purpose of this form, to collect your information. So eventually they can send you a 1099 at the end of the year that reflects how much they paid you. So we start by putting our name here on line 1. I'm putting in John Doe as an individual. Now, if we have a business name, we put the business name here on line 2. Then we go down here, and since we're just assuming that John Doe is an independent contractor, we're going to have this individual sole proprietor box checked. That's what John Doe is going to check. Now, if you're a corporation or a partnership or trust, you'll check the appropriate box. If you have an LLC, check this box. But here's the thing. LLCs have different tax treatment, okay? So depending on how your LLC is taxed, whether it's a partnership or you've done an S Corp election, or if you're a single member LLC, you'll just check this box, this individual sole proprietor. Depending on your tax treatment as an LLC, you need to check the appropriate box in addition to this LLC box, okay? But since we're John Doe and John Doe's an individual, we'll leave it at individual sole proprietor. Down here, we put John Doe's address, and we're not going to worry about this box number 7. We're not going to worry about this box here. We're done with all this. That's it. Then we put the tax ID. We put John Doe's social right here. If we had a EIN number for a corporation or a company, we would put it down here. But we're just going to put John Doe's social right here in this line. John Doe's going to sign and date, and we're done. That's how simple this form is. So we have our name up here, business name, if applicable, check the appropriate box for tax treatment. All right, we put our address, our social, we sign, we date, and we are done. And I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching.